I don't have a car yet. In this video, we are quickly going to look at how to use the word yet as an adverb. For example, have you eaten yet? I haven't done it yet. So in the question, have you eaten yet? We include yet in the question to show that I think that you will eat sometime around now. Maybe right now you have, maybe you have not, but I expect that you will, or you usually do. I have not done it yet. Here, yet shows that right now I have not done it, but I think I will do it soon. So in a question, have you eaten yet? Have you done it yet? It means that I think that you will do it sometime, but right now I'm not sure if it's finished or if you still need to do it in the future. In a negative sentence, I have not done it yet. I have not eaten yet. Yet shows that right now the action is not complete, but I expect to complete the action. I expect to do this thing in the future. We don't usually use it in a positive sentence. We usually use it for questions and negative sentences. The examples that I have given you have all been present perfect tense, because often when we use yet, we use it with the situations in which we use present perfect, because we're thinking about a past action and now, and that's often when we use present perfect. So that's why we often use yet with present perfect, because they are used to express the same situations. However, yet can also be used with the other tenses as well, especially present simple. For example, I don't have a car yet. Right now, present simple, I don't have a car. Yet shows that I expect that I will probably have a car in the future. I am not hungry yet. I am not hungry right now, but yet shows that I expect that to change in the future. I think I will be hungry in the future, but right now, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry yet. I'll see how I feel 1 hour from now. Maybe then I will be hungry. Do you understand this yet?